Hello everyone. So this is our second activity for the month of July, and today we are going to do warm colors and cool colors. So you are already seeing I have kept some warm colors and some cool colors with me, and material required: a pencil and some crayons or oil pastels. That's it. So first of all, I would like to tell you what are warm colors and what are cool colors. The colors, when we see the sunset, when we see the sun, we get a warm feeling. So yellow, orange, red, these are warm colors. And when we see the sea, and we it looks calm. So yeah, blue, shades of blue, sea green, dark blue, these are cool colors. When we see these colors, so it gives us some cool and calmness. And when we see the sun, we see the positivity, it gives us energy. So the red and the orange and yellow are for energy. So they are warm colors, and yellows, orange, reds are warm colors, and peach colors can also count in. And light blue, dark blue, sea green, sea blue, light green, dark green are cool colors. So let's begin our class today of warm and cool colors. So first of all, you're going to keep your art files or sheets horizontally or vertically. It's up to you, whatever way you want to keep your sheets. So I'll start making some circles from this point, right? Not too much top, somewhere in the middle, but right side, okay? So I'll start from the small circle. Randomly, you can just draw freehand circles, okay, with pencil only and nothing else. So I've drawn small circle, a big circle, and now I'll just start making some circles. Leaving some space like this. You need to just cover the paper with these circles. If you are comfortable in using compass, you can use the compass, but you can also draw freehand circles. So one fun activity I can tell you, where you can just make your hand move little free. So take any newspaper and just take a pencil or a pen and just draw circles like this randomly. Okay, make as many circles as you can, so your hand will be freely and it will be able to move very nicely. Okay, so you can practice this activity in the beginning, before beginning your artwork. So I'll just draw some circles like this. Okay, so there's some space left in the upper part. I'll just draw a curve. And you have to fill the paper, okay? Fill the entire sheet. If you don't want to do on a big paper, on a big size paper, just mark a rectangular box in your art file and just do it that much. That's totally fine. Yes, so my circles are done. That's it. So my circles are done, as you can see. Now what I'll do is I'll place my hand on the left area. Okay, just see wherever you can place your hand and just draw an impression of your hand. Okay, just draw an impression of your hand with the pencil only on the circles itself. And now what are we going to do is after drawing the impression, remove your hand. So here we have the impression of the hand and here we have the circles. Now we are going to do our hand with warm colors and the leftover part with cool colors. So it goes like this. So first I'll just show you how to do the hand. See, now you can see the circle and this area of the hand. So this is my first part which I will be doing of lemon yellow. Okay, I'll just take an oil pastel or crayon. I'll just do lemon yellow. Alright, now my finger is here, okay, and now this circle, it starts from this area and ends here. So I have this much space for my second color. This is my first color and this is my second color. So I'll take orange for the second color and I'll do orange color in this part, in my second part. Like this. So now this is my second part. My first part yellow, second orange, and now this one is my third part. You can see it's coming from this finger. You can see from this finger till this finger. So this part and this part is my third part. So I'll do red color. I'll just take a red color crayon and I'll do red color in this. Like this. See, this part I've done, and leaving the gap which is already in the drawing. Okay, there's some gap, just make a line here. Yes, and now I have this space, so I'll color this part. So these are warm colors which we are doing in the hand. Alright, okay, and now we'll repeat the colors. Okay, yellow, orange, red, yellow, orange, red, yellow, orange, red, yellow, orange, red. Like this we are going to finish the part. Alright, so here we have the thumb. So we start with yellow, some little part of yellow and orange, the second part. Red in the third part. So this way we are going to complete our hand. And now I'll tell you what are we going to do in circles. So you'll be completing yellow, red, orange, yellow, orange, red, yellow. We'll start from yellow, yellow, again orange, then red, again yellow, orange, and then red. So these are warm colors, yellow and orange. We don't have space for red. Alright, now in the circles, so we'll start from the light blue color. Take one light blue color and just light blue, light green, and then I have my dark blue. So we are going to follow the same sequence of colors for the circles, like blue, green, red, blue. So we are done with dark blue. Now you have to be careful while doing the circles. It should not cover your warm area. Alright, Again I'm going to do yellow, blue, light blue, then light green, and then dark blue. So we are going to follow the same scheme, sequence of colors. Again light blue, light green, dark blue. So these are cool colors. Once this will be finished, it will look very nice. Please write your name on the artwork and click a nice picture and share with me. Hope to see your work soon. And your sunset, everyone has done beautifully. The sunsets were amazing. Now we are going to finish this like this, and same goes for this area. Okay, light blue. So these are all circles. We are going to color them in circles. Okay, and then dark blue. Again light blue, light green, dark blue. So we are going to color the whole light blue, light green, dark blue, yellow, orange, red, warm colors, cool colors, and we are going to finish this artwork and you're going to share the images with me. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this activity and see you next week. Bye everyone.